In recent years, the pipe jacking construction method has become the first choice for more and more construction parties to lay underground pipelines. However, if pipe jacking construction is performed improperly, the construction quality will be greatly compromised. How to deal with emergency situations when encountering problems such as the machine head retreating or the machine head sinking. Come and take a look. The machine head retreats after entering the hole. This is generally because the pipeline is buried deeply and the soil pressure increases, so the machine head will retreat when it receives pressure. In this case, you only need to use electric welding to firmly weld the contact surface between the machine head and the rail before retracting the lifting jack. After the transition ring is connected to the machine head, cut the weld and continue jacking. Then continue this operation until the jacked pipe section does not retreat. Aiming at the problem that the pipe jacking machine head sinks and the tail rises when entering the hole. When the machine head enters the hole, the transition ring and the first pipe section need to be connected and fastened with a screw. In addition, in order to prevent this phenomenon from happening, an extension rail can be installed at the bottom, and the tool pipe and the rail should be welded firmly when placing the first pipe section. When the jacking distance becomes longer, the jacking force will continue to increase. The number of slurry holes in the pipe section can be increased, the proportion of lubricating slurry can be changed, and a set of grouting equipment can be added in the middle of the pipe. In addition, the longer jacking distance may also cause the machine head to deviate. At this time, the steering cylinder needs to be started to correct the deviation. If the problem of excessive head rotation occurs, there are many solutions. For example, press back the counterweight inside the machine head, use the steering of the cutter head to correct the rotation of the pipe jacking machine, and try to increase the pressure in the soil tank to increase the torque of the cutter head. Grouting at the cutter head improves the strength of the soil and increases the cutter head torque. If the above measures do not solve the problem, the jacking needs to be stopped immediately and reported to the expert group to study the solution.